just want to take a few comments before we jump into the last session, which is going to be the knee arthroplasty revision session. May I call upon stage Dr. Ashok Rajgopal, our president, Dr. Kanchan Bhattacharya, our incoming president, also Dr. Ashok Shyam and Dr. Neeraj, please come up. And we are going to, take some kind of suggestions from the house. I just hope more people come in because Ashok Shyam is going to run one ARS. But before that, I will request Rajgopal sir to say a few words and tell us about his thoughts. You can speak from there itself about your thoughts about this conference, this congress. Last 2 days we have been here, Friday, Saturday, this is the third day. What are your thoughts? What are the future directions you see SKI going? Because you've been an integral part of EKS and you have a very big insight into these knee societies. So request our President Ashok Rajgopal sir to give his vision on how he would like to see the society come up in the next 5 years.
Thank you, Parag, and thank you, each one of you who are still here after 2.5 days of deliberation. Parag, an honest comment is this has been one of the best meetings I've attended this year. And this is my, I think, 23rd meeting that I've attended this year. 13 of them have been overseas. 10 of them have been local. So what I really liked about this meeting is this was an open forum. It embraced knee as an organ and a structure, which meant you had folks interested and experts at osteotomies, arthroscopies, preservation. And I think the nicest thing was you brought in some of the legends of the game in each of these fields. It was unbiased, uncluttered, open debates, open discussions. Lot of thoughts that were thrown around and rounded off by the true sort of champions, to the extent that I knew Dinshaw was very, very good. I just didn't realize just how very, very good is. And to the point that he explained and what he had done with the various elite athletes, I think there is a lot of learning for us that today we don't need to look at the West necessarily in conferences and congresses because we've got such a surfeit of talent in our own country and they're absolutely brilliant. Because some of the cases that have been presented across the 2.5 days would give any international society a run for its money. I also want to compliment you, Parag, single-handedly for conceiving this concept of the SKI, because we have arthroscopy societies and we have arthroplasty societies and all of that. But to bring the knee segment into one domain, your thoughtfulness and your initiative, if I may add, has been absolutely exemplary. I believe the scientific content was absolutely brilliant. And the way the things were laid out, the amount of time that was there for discussion, and I also want to compliment every one of the people who attended the 2.5 days because the amount of interest that has been shown is extraordinary. I think we all learn from each other, and my recommendation would be that we should continue in this same way. We have had ARS, which gives us a pretty good dimension of where we are and where we are likely to go. My only point that I would like to make is at the end of this meeting, I think if there's a way we should collate all the references and the responses and come out with a white paper and hopefully with the help of Mo, try and put this into one of the journals. Thank you.
Thank you very much for those words of wisdom. I would now request our incoming president, Dr. Kanchan Bhattacharya, to say a few words.
Let me first thank you for being me for asking me to be a part of this. And I reiterate what Ashok has just said, that you, Sachin, Ashok and the others need to be really lauded, and I do not know how well we can do it. We can never be able to express the way we really feel. For both thinking about an organization like this and bringing about a meeting, which we've been thinking from post-COVID and 2022 onwards, to such a fruition. And a couple of things have worked so well. There's no industry outside that will distract us, except for the people who have really helped us to have this meeting. But the fact that every one of us, right in our seats from the first talk to the last, that just tells you how well it's being executed, how well it's been curated. And every aspect of the meeting just speaks about academics and academics alone. I think if we can keep it academic the way we have done, the way we perceive it, and have some kind of research going on the way we want it, this is going to be one of the best organizations that our country has. Really, and I pray for more strength to your elbows so that we keep doing it, getting better and better at it.
Yeah, more strength to the elbows so the knees become also stronger. Yes, I would now request Dr. Sachin Tapasvi, our first Vice President, to say a few words. He has been instrumental in making this scientific program. When Dr. Ashok Rajgopal was alluding to the fact that the scientific program is so good, I must acknowledge and I must share here that 99% of the program is done by Sachin. A big round of applause. And Ashok and me will take 1% credit for being behind him to get it done. So thank you, Sachin. The success of a program is only of regards to the scientific content. And again, a big round of Sachin, and request him to say a few words, and then Ashok and he will run the ARS.
Ashok? Come. Okay, so thank you. This is very satisfying and gratifying that we are able to sort of, get this first inaugural meeting through. And both Ashok and me have a couple of questions for all of you. So let's try and get those questions through. So we'd like to know from you, what sort of format would you prefer, for future meetings? Would you want it to be the same way that we had it right now? That we start on the afternoon.
Please vote.
2 nights.
Pick
and
up
then,
the voting pads.
Run it for 3 days, or should we just have it like for 2 full days? What would be your preference? Wow, now that puts us in a big fix now. Okay, so definitely we, the ExCom is going to look at all of these various aspects to try and ensure that, we have exactly curated something for you, which should be what all of you prefer. Let's have the next one now. Should we change the format of our meeting to day 1 sports, day 2 recon, or run it the same way that we are doing the meeting now, which is a combination, throw in one session, then change over another session, and so on? Okay, so I think 2/3, it's significant. People feel that we should mix and match. Next question is that in subsequent meetings, should we add free paper sessions so that all our esteemed members get a chance to present their original work? Do you feel this is important or not? Super. Yes? Yes? Yeah?
Saturday evening where only presenters and the assessors are there. You should put it in the core meeting in between.
Yeah.
sandwich in between the good lectures.
Perfect.
So
So,
that guy gets a confidence and the due acknowledgement from the crowd.
Guruva, an even better way to do it is that once you have papers segregated, so you put it, if you put a UKR paper in, free paper in the UKR session, where, you know, you are...
Yeah, it should be
you
in the
are
mainstream.
Where you are the keynote speaker, and then the free papers follow.
That's right. Otherwise, poor captain.
Absolutely. We don't have a separate session, but we include them, and that will be a good thing. So I think the news for all of us is that we do have a lot of interesting developments in the coming year. We will be looking at increasing our membership as we move along. We are also looking at getting more people involved to get involved with the ski philosophy. And with this, I feel it's really very important that as we move ahead, we are looking to making this a very strong academic society, and this will definitely grow with years to come. So thank you, Parag, and thank
Ashok,
you.
few words, Ashok Shyam. So a few words from Ashok Shyam before we move to the next session, the last speaker.
Thank you very much, sir. I think the focus of SKI on research is something that it stands out, and I hope we'll take up in next few years. So, and we'll need help from all the members and all the stalwarts in the room. Thanks. That was one point I wanted to make. Thanks.
Thank you. As we close, I want to call up our local host, Dr. Adarsh, come up, and Dr. Sahil and Adarsh, please come up, because these are the two young people who worked behind the scenes and really made this happen. So this is the future of ski. Please come up, and we acknowledge and appreciate the work you have done.